Box that I own.
Then it's the Crazy Kids.
Box that.
Okay.
Ready?
Can you guys scoot over there?
And then the Crazies.
Are you gonna video it?
Ready? The box that I already opened, but I never knew what was inside.
It's clothes. Oh, sorry. I wasn't
Way to
supposed
spoil it.
Just right box.
I'm trying to
I'll
open it.
get this as you.
Tape. I
No.
can't stop.
God damn it.
Ton of cord.
No.
Seriously, guys.
Are
Really, guys?
you serious?
Which one? What's this?
Are you serious? I do not believe you. I do not believe
You
you.
finally got it. I can't believe it.
Guys, everyone faint.
It's actually it.
I can't believe it.
What's this? The kids. Carter, open it. Where's the scissors?
Wait, is this the next?
Yes.
Doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Open the rest of them.
Well, one by one.
Oh, one by one.
I can't believe it. You actually got us one.
Huh?
This is like unbelievable.
Last thing on earth you're ever expecting.
Yes.
Only here we didn't ask for you guys.
Mario.
It's Sonic a stream. Okay, that's just cool. Ooh, more. Use it. Wii remote.
Another, please.
Oh, I got blue. It's my favorite color.
I got black.
What's the next? The Crazy Kids, right? That's next.
I don't get my own.
You got it to do the
Don't worry.
mastermind.
Hey, you got the master. There's no worry.
This is so far the
No,
best
wait, I think
present
it's there.
yet.
It could be.
Where's the-
I still like the keyboard, but this is awesome too.
Oh, ooh, remote. Okay,
Red.
one. You're
Also
you
red.
red.
Which one's mine? Black. Right?
Michaela, hurry up and open.
That's okay. Well, it's possible.
No.
Which one's mine then?
Where's the other
You get the
one?
woohoo!
Mario Kart. I get the black.
Please,
one.
please.
Mario Party 9.
Oh, you love that one.
I love you.
More games. Please think what it is. Please, Super Smash Brawl. Super Smash Brawl. No. Oh,
There.
win.
Whoa.
Win?
One.
We won.
One plus.
What the-
Yes, he-
It's the other controller.
Oh wait, so we have